let me talk about the 3 things that I think are super duper important if you want to be a great technical leader. So, 1, technical chops. You can see that. 2, you've got to be a great leader, which is a lot harder than we think it is, right? Thirdly, is your network. You need to be a connected person, and it's not something that comes naturally for an engineer, a person who has become a CTO. We kind of want to solve things ourselves, and we have the Google, so just solve things. Now, it's a lot easier if we work with a solid network in order to solve things faster and in a context of our challenge and problems. So then I also want to draw 4 very special dots, and those are the 4 quadrants or 4 dots of emotional intelligence: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and social management. And these are critical aspects to functioning in today's business world, where you need to inspire people to work with you and follow you, and when the going gets tough, to be able to push through those late night commits. So I thought it would be fun to superimpose the pillars of CTO-ness with the pillars of emotional intelligentness, and I guess it turned into a septagon. So that's pretty awesome. I might change the logo to that one day. So 7 CTOs is about developing those 7 aspects. Technologies, you need to be able to innovate, scale, and deliver. With network, it's mentorship, it's influence, it's engaging your network. With leadership, it's emotional intelligence and inspiring. And then just the basic tenets of management, knowing how to manage. So then, with the blue dots, I think it's blue, I'm showing you that basically a forum consists of those 7 people who get together. And then the beautiful thing happens as we meet on a month-to-month basis is we get connected. So we form relationships, and it's a beautiful thing for learning, for solving problems, and for sharing resources. So the 7 CTOs forum meets, like I said, on a monthly basis, and these relationships starts forming and turns into something that really forms a basis for what you're doing at your company. So you have these forums, and then you have multiple forums around the world, around the country, and that forms a large brain trust, an inclusive global community, sharing knowledge, and then hopefully one day just working together to solve wicked problems. But the beautiful thing is we are integrated, we work together, we have a couple tools, a couple ways in which we then connect those forums so that there is everyone benefits from the larger story and the overall experience of everyone who is in the 7 CTOs family. So what is 7 CTOs and what do we do? So we do the monthly forum meetings. It's about a half a day, and we get together whether it's in person or remote, and we have professional facilitation to work through some content and some challenge processing as a forum, and it's confidential, and it's the same group of people every month. All of these forums are connected to each other through our larger community. We have a Slack community, and it's a really beautiful thing to see how more and more questions are getting answered quickly and quite thoughtfully. We have a bunch of exclusive events around the world. We do colloquiums. We work together to do talks. We do discussions. We bring in experts. And it's a great way to get out and not meet strange people, but people that are already in the 7 CTOs community. And also guests. We love to keep the waters fresh. We have a huge video library of all our talks. We love to do one-on-one introductions. We do monthly Zoom calls, which is awesome because we do Ask Me Anything style Zoom calls with people who are experts in any of the traits that I just mentioned. And then our flagship event is our 0111 retreat, which happens once or twice a year. Definitely once a year in San Diego and sometimes in another city. We've actually done 0111s in other countries as well. So that is the 7 CTOs. You are welcome to apply. There's an onboarding process, there's a vetting process, and at this stage, we're 120 plus people, and we would love for you to consider joining and just do the application, and we'll hopefully we'll be on the same side of this video soon. Thank you for watching.